Hey there mga my loves, Libra. Thank you so much for always staying here with me in the channel, babe. So before we start your reading, reminders muna kasi hindi to for everybody. So just pick up only the messages you think are for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might be really for you. And of course, this is timeless as well. Wala tayo ditong gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, cross-watchers. You can flip roles if you want, of course. You can do that, and at the end of the day, always have your free well. So yun nga no, mga babes, let me just greet ang mga new subscribers. Hi new subscribers, ako po si Yan, welcome tuloy. At sa mga returning viewers, thank you so much for the warm love and support ang binibigay niyo po sa akin. So, for today's content, let's take a look at yung mga mensaheng paparating here for you guys. Mga kaganapan dito for Libra. So, let's go ahead Libra at alamin natin ito. Kung hindi niyo pa pala knows, meron po tayong other channel. The link is down below sa ating description box. So let's go ahead and check these messages here for you, Libra. Spirits and Angel Guides, Archangel Michael, thank you so much for being present here in this reading. This is for Libra. Can you please show me messages for Libra, please? Libra. Messages for Libra. Okay. Alam niyo kung ba't hinihinaan ko yung boses ko mga babes? Natulog kasi yung pamangkin ko sa tabi ko. Kaya, please just bear with me. Okay, thank you so much. Pag nagising yan, mahirap yung patulogin. Okay, let's continue. Libra. Okay, so let's go ahead and check these messages right here for you, Libra. Ilatag naman na natin ito na before natin ito i-read. I have here for you guys, Page of Swords, Sun card energy, the Knight of Cups, Two of Coins, Ace of Coins, Queen of Swords, Three of Coins, Hierophant, and there's this Eight of Swords energy. You could be dealing here with person na posibleng naiinis kayo sa kanya kasi hindi yan nilalaban ng inyong situation. Posibleng naduwag siya or there's something here na naging fear at humadlang ito no, sa pag-connect niya sa inyo. But I'm seeing this person here standing firm right now, ready na ilaban ang kanyang connection here sa inyo. So this person here is now willing naman talaga na mag-build ng legacy or foundation here with you guys. No? Kaya lang, siguro may mga bagay siyang iniisip rito no, na nagiging hadlang or nagiging harang sa pag-connect niya talaga sa inyo. Pero so kung sino man tong energy na to, no, ready na siya rito na makipagtulungan na rito sa inyo dahil gusto naman talaga niya kayo at mahal naman talaga niya kayo. So this person here is now ready to fight for this connection here with you. Actually, he or she feels sorry kung parang napansin mo na or naisip mo na baka wala siyang pakialam sa'yo, na okay lang na mawala ka sa life niya. Hindi gano'n. Kaya lang marami siyang mga fears. Posibleng may mga insecurities rin siya dito na naging blockages sa paglaban niya para sa connection na ito. Pero huwag kang mag-alala, ready na siya rito. No? So, dito nakikita ko no, na this person here will speak up to you about this. Okay? So, there's a strong communication coming in about you being with him or her in a committed relationship. So, I do see na meron ditong energy na kukonek sa inyo, pero huwag kayo masyadong magtiwala sa kanya, no? Kasi kung sino to, This person here loves attention, pero hindi lang yung attention ninyo yung magiging love niya. Magiging love niya rin yung pagkuha ng attention ng iba. So beware of this person right here. I do not trust his or her energy because anytime at kahit na anong araw, pwede ka niya ritong i-cut off sa kanyang life. Okay? Ayoko kasi kayo yung klase ng energy na you are bright as the sun. Your energy is meant na maprotektahan. So, ayoko dito na may darating dito tas sasaktan lang kayo, Libra. So, if your intuition is on point and there's this feeling na red flag yung person na kukonek sa inyo, then definitely, do not hesitate to say no. Kasi nakikita ko na that person here loves attention. Attention from maraming tao. Okay? Okay? Not just your attention. Nakikita ko rito na love ring yung attention coming from other people. Okay? And then pertaining to potential suitors everywhere. Okay? So, hindi siya committed energy. This is a player. Okay? And I do not want your heart to get played by this individual. And I do see for a lot of you, this is something here na hindi pa nangyayari. Pero yung iba kakonek niya nito ngayon. So, pay attention to the red flags. Okay? There's something here that you need to know. The sun card energy. There's with this person's energy that I don't trust. And the universe will show it to you. Okay? Things will get clearer as days pass by. Don't fall for this person here. Okay? Observe. Okay? Be observant. Be aware of your surroundings. That's your advice. Page of Swords energy. Not get fooled by this individual. That's it. Okay? So, aside from that, Libra, I do see someone here, no, na, I think this person here needs your help. Mm. So, I do not know kung may negosyo siya dito, na parang feeling niya, hindi nagiging maganda yung flow, but this person here needs help, pero hindi niya alam kung sinong lalapitan. Pwedeng dalawa lang po ako dyan. One, kailangan niya ng financial assistance or help dyan sa negosyo niya. Or two, kailangan niya rito ng tao na may skills na hinahanap niya. And I do see that for a lot of people around him or her, ikaw yung nakikita ko nagsa-stand out sa energy niya, Libra. So, mukhang ikaw yung tinutukoy dito ng tao makakatulong sa kanya financially. Maybe, this person will ask your help na bigyan mo siya dito ng tulong, umutang siya sa'yo or whatever, no? Pero huwag ka mag-alala kung ganun man, babayaran niya yan. Or secondly, pwede rin naman na meron siya ditong gustong itayo na negosyo or baka working siya dito na pero out of all the people, pwedeng hindi niya lang siguro knows pero kunyari hindi niya alam yung bagay na yun, yung software na yun, pero ikaw alam mo yun. Yan, for some reason, nakita ko dito na yung hinahanap niya, yung kailangan niya matutunan or kailangan niya gawin, ikaw yung pinaka-top sa lahat ng mga tao rito, no? Sa listahan na posibleng makatulong sa kanya. Yan. So, you will be a big help right here to a friend or someone you already know. Actually, close kayo. Yun yung nakikita ko dito. Okay? So, aside from that, I'm also picking up that with the Ace of Pentacles energy, there's this suerte when it comes to your coins. Look at how big it is, you know? So, try your luck, Libra. You do not know kung saan kayo dadali ng malaking moon in the background, which means the stars are showing their intentions to help you na magawa mo tong new beginning na to sa iyong life. And what I'm pertaining to is try your luck. Join the contest that you want to join. Might be join the games that you want to play, lotto, whatever, raffle, do it. Because nakita ka dito that luck is on your side. And that is what the moon is hiding right now. But definitely, there's light in it. Makakapagsimula ka dyan. Iba sa inyo, I'm talking about tons of money. T-O-N-S, tons of money. Eh? So whatever the case may be, yan, gumalaw yung pamangkin ko. So yun yung mga babes. No? Okay, going back right here. Buti hindi nagising. Yeah, mga babes, I'm sorry about that. No, kung medyo mahina yung voice ko ngayon, no? Pagbigyan niyo lang muna ako. Okay? Lakasan niyo na lang yung voice, just mag-headset kayo. Okay? So, going back right there. Okay? Nakita ko dito, Libra, na meron ditong energy na medyo nai-intrigue siya sa'yo. Curious siya about you. This is a stranger here. Baka meron ka mga followers, likers sa social media, or maybe you have your, yun nga, may social media applications ka. Okay? Baka marami ka dyang followers, likers. Someone is curious about you. What are you really doing with your life? Pero ang pinaka-kinu-curious niya rito, meron ka na bang ka-in relationship? Kung wala pa, alam niya rin naman na wala siyang chance. Pero this person here is dying to know pa rin kung meron ka bang ka-in relationship ngayon. So maybe you are a social media influencer for others of you. It doesn't have to be. Or maybe this is you. You are curious about someone here na nasa social media. And for some reason, konti yung information alam mo sa kanya. You're interested in all of the things related to that person. But you are most likely interested kung married na ba siya, meron na ba siyang boyfriend, girlfriend, in relationship pa siya. Yan. You're curious. You're dying to know. Okay? You're dying of curiosity. You wanna find out if that person here is really committed na ba or single pa siya. For some reason, hindi ko nakita yung sagot dito. So, bahala na kayong alamin. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi kung sino yung tinitingnan ninyo, it gives you this type of energy na naka-block yung kanyang entire information energetically. So, strongly, you could be dealing here with a tarot reader or a psychic medium. Strongly, but doesn't have to be. Pwedeng malakas lang din yung spirituality niya. But for others of you, you're dealing and talking about someone who is a tarot reader. Maybe you're in love with a tarot reader or a psychic medium. Okay? Maybe that's specific here for someone watching, but just take how this resonates. Libra. Arresto. So, aside from that, Libra, I'm also picking up right here message, okay, of love. So if you are now in a relationship, I do see that your person here is making you happy. At wala ka na mahihiling pa in a relationship. All you wanna do is to stay in love with that person and to stay in love with you, yung tao na yun. So, I do not see that that is a problem. But I'm seeing that this person here, nakikita kong paninindigan niya itong love ninyo sa isa't isa. Because the Hierophant and the Three of Coins is present here. This person will continue to build this foundation, mas pagtibayan, mas ipakita pa sa'yo rito ang love and affection niya here for you. Mas pasayahin ka pa, and magkasama kayo up until the end of time. Yun naman yung pangarap niya with this Ace of Pentacles to the Sun card energy. Isa sa pinakamalaking desisyon na gagawin niya, Queen of Swords energy, is to stay right by your side and to give you everything you need and everything you want. You have someone precious here, Libra, who loves you so much. This person is so in love with you that he or she will give you everything and that you mean the whole world for this person. Wow, so romantic. Maybe this person here is someone who is born on the 90s, okay? But doesn't have to be. But I'm picking up romantic vibes, traditions, mga galawang 90s, might be in love or love letter is ang kanya ditong way of love language, picnic, going on a date, mga ganun. Okay? So, it could be dealing with any age, of course, okay? And gender, of course. And yeah, wow. Okay, this person loves you so much. And the only wish that he or she wants na matupad. Kasi natupad na nasa buhay ka na niya. Ang gusto niya na lang dito matupad yung samahan mo rin siya hanggang sa dulo. No? Dulo ng walang hanggan. Yan. So these are all the messages I've got right here for you, Libra. Thank you so much for your time and understanding. Sarang hilulog in light. Annyeong.